Federal RCMP units have confiscated hundreds of pounds of illicit drugs, 89 different firearms, tons of different chemicals that were used to produce these illicit drugs, and $500,000 in cash. RCMP say this is the largest bust in Canadian history, and all of this was seized across multiple locations, including a, quote, superlab in Falkland, BC. The front two tables are filled with firearms, bags of cash, and a heaping pile of methamphetamine, cocaine, fentanyl, and MDMA, and is believed to be connected to other cases in BC. During the investigation, one suspect was arrested and will be facing 6 criminal charges.
This enforcement action has neutralized a key drug production facility that is believed to have been responsible for the production, the distribution of unprecedented quantities of fentanyl and methamphetamine into Canada and abroad.
Over the course of several months, investigators confiscated over 5,000 liters of precursor chemicals that were believed to be a critical component to produce crystal meth called P2P. The combined fentanyl and precursor chemicals seized at this facility could have amounted to over 95 million potentially lethal doses of fentanyl, which is enough to kill every Canadian at least twice over.
I think it's time for our justice system to catch up to the reality of the danger of these drugs. And I think it's time for our justice system to be increasingly stiff to this parasitic behavior.
Federal RCMP units say this bust had stopped close to $500 million in street profits from suspected transnational organized crime groups, and it's a possibility that the Mexican cartel is involved.
And the P2P manufacturing method has been the primary method used by Mexican cartels to produce methamphetamine for years.
The RCMP say the drugs that were seized were going to be distributed nationally, and the investigation remains ongoing. In Surrey, Joe Sadowski, City News.